In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Teespring account. If you want to start designing and selling your own custom merchandise, you are in the exact right place. Setting up an account is incredibly simple, and I will walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can get your store up and running today. To get started, open your preferred web browser, head over to your search engine, and type in Teespring. Look through the results and click on the official link to navigate straight to their main homepage. Once the website loads, you will see a prominent button that says Start Creating. Go ahead and click on that option to initiate the registration process. This will bring you directly to the account creation page, where you have a couple of different paths you can take. The first method is the traditional route, where you manually fill out the registration form. You'll need to enter your full name, input or valid email address that you use regularly, and choose a strong, secure password to protect your new account. Right below those fields, you will notice a small checkbox regarding terms and updates. Make sure to review that and check the box to proceed. Alternatively, if you want to save some time, you can choose to register using your existing social credentials. There are options to instantly sign up using either your Facebook account or your Google account, which connects everything automatically. Whichever method you decide to choose, once your details are entered or your social account is linked, click on the Sign Up button. Immediately after doing that, the platform will prompt you to choose a unique name for your digital storefront. This is the name your customers will see, so pick something that fits your brand identity. Type your desired storefront name into the provided box, double-check the spelling, and then click on the Continue button to move forward. After clicking Continue, your brand new dashboard will load, meaning your account is officially active and you are completely ready to start designing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.